Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and I have the cutest shoes to share with you. This is from the company TIJN, and these are a nude colored mule. It's a slip-on mule. I don't have any shoes in my closet like this. These are my first pair, and I have absolutely fallen in love with these. They are so easy to put on. They are really comfortable. They have a nice padding here, and then this also gives a little bit. So you have a little bit of stretch, I would say, in this, so it's not super tight. And it does come to this really cute point. I can put these with jeans, a dress. I really didn't realize how versatile these were until I started putting outfits together. And then I said, I can wear these with almost anything. So I would highly recommend. I love that it has a low heel, so you can wear this and still look very classy, yet comfortable, great for all day, really cute. Highly recommend. These are just precious, but that is just my point of view.